Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Comcast email account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead first, access your phone's browser on your mobile phone. Once you have done so, simply go ahead, type in sign into Xfinity or login.xfinity.com/login. This will simply lead you to the official website of Comcast, aka Xfinity, to get you logged in. Afterwards, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, then the first major thing would be simply going to this option and entering your email or mobile or ID that remember. Gonna go ahead, tap on this let's go, and you're gonna get logged in. If you don't remember, go ahead, tap in your find your Xfinity ID and get logged into your Comcast email. Afterwards you're gonna go to this option called users and preference that will be provided. Once you have tapped on it, you're gonna go ahead, choose on this option called account or username you want to delete, which will be listed over there. After that, tap on it, then you will find this delete button beside. Go ahead, tap on this delete button or suspend the user. Right, once you have done so, it will ask you to choose this account to delete the username. You're gonna go ahead, choose that particular account right over there and tap on this, and then this will again ask for your confirmation. Tap on this confirm button and you will be able to remove your particular Comcast email like that. So this is the options for you. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.